Hello, good morning, students. In the last lecture, we had studied about definition, general formula, examples, common and IUPAC name, and isomerism present in alkyne. Today, we will study preparation of alkynes. There are two types of preparation methods for alkynes. One is industrial sources. So, under this type, one is ethylene is industrially prepared by controlled high temperature and partial oxidation of methane. Methane is CH4. When six molecules of methane are oxidized at 173 Kelvin, then it is converted into two molecules of ethine, that is CH triple bond CH plus 2CO2 plus 10H2 are given out. This is one of the industrial method for the preparation of ethine, that is acetylene. Second is from calcium carbide. Calcium carbide is CaC2. When industrially ethine is prepared by reacting calcium carbide with water. Calcium carbide is CaC2. When treated with two molecules of H2O, then it is converted into CH triple bond CH, that is acetylene, and calcium hydroxide is given out as a side product. So that is one of the preparation method, type of preparation method of alkyne. Then second is preparation of alkyne, that is laboratory methods. Here this in laboratory this alkyne can be prepared. First method is by dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalides. The meaning of D is removal, and meaning of hydro means hydrogen atom. Meaning of hydrogen is hydrogen atom, and meaning of halogen is a halogen atom. So removal of hydrogen and halogen atom, that is called as a dehydrohalogenation. Here the vicinal dihalide means a dihalide means containing two halogen atoms. They are present on adjacent carbon atom, that is called as a vicinal dihalide. Here the removal of hydrogen and halogen take place from adjacent carbon atoms, and it is called as a dehydrohalogenation. Vicinal dihalide, when react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form alkenyl halide, which on further treating with sodamide, it forms the alkyne. And the general equation is this is vicinal dihalide containing two halogen atoms on adjacent carbon. Here, this one hydrogen and one halogen from the opposite side of this carbon-carbon double bond, they are eliminated, they are lost, they are removed by using alcoholic KOH. So side product is KX, that is potassium halide, and the water molecule. Here the alcoholic KOH is used, therefore elimination take place. Here carbon-carbon double bond containing compound with one hydrogen and one halogen is remaining, and that is called as a alkenyl halide. When it is treated with soda amide having formula NaNH2, this sodium react with halogen gives sodium halide, and NH2 minus react with hydrogen give NH3, and which is converted into alkyne, that is carbon carbon triple bond containing compound. Then particular example is it is 1,2-dibromoethane, that is two bromine are present on adjacent carbon atom. When heated with alcoholic KOH, then side product is KBr and H2O. The product obtained is bromoethene containing bromine and the hydrogen. Then it is treated with soda amide, that is NaNH2. Then one of the side product is sodium halide and ammonia, and the main product is ethine, that is acetylene. The second example of this type is when 1,2-dichloropropane, it is two chlorine atoms present on first and second carbon. This is one example of vicinal dihalide. When treated with alcoholic KOH, again one hydrogen and one halogen is eliminated and it gives CH3CH double bond CHCl. This is 1,1-chloropropene. When treated with soda amide, it gives one of the side product as sodium chloride and ammonia. Then the main product is propine, that is CH3C triple bond CH. So this is propine. And that is about the first method for the preparation of alkyne. It is by dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalide. Second example is from terminal alkyne. We had already studied the terminal alkyne. Terminal alkyne means alkyne containing carbon-carbon triple bond at one end of the carbon chain. They are also called as a one alkyne. So terminal alkynes are the compounds in which hydrogen atom is directly attached to triply bonded carbon atom. Hydrogen is directly bonded to triply bonded carbon. This type of alkyne is called as a terminal alkyne. When this terminal alkyne, so here acetylene and alkyl acetylene, these are the terminal alkynes. Such hydrogen atom shows appreciable acidity and can be given away as a proton on reaction with sufficiently strong base. In this method, a smaller terminal alkyne first react with very strong base like lithium amide to form metal acetylide. For example, lithium amide is easier to handle than soda amide. Higher alkynes are obtained by reacting metal acetylide, that is alkyne 1YL lithium with primary alkyl halide. Here RC triple bond CH when treated with LiNH2, that is lithium amide, it gives RC triple bond CLi plus NH3. So this is a terminal alkyne. When treated with lithium amide, it gives alkyl 1YL lithium and side product is ammonia. Here one more example of terminal alkyne. When terminal alkyne containing lithium is treated with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is Rx. Here one of the R group is labeled as a R1. So R1X is alkyl halide. Here lithium is substituted by R1 group and LiX is given out as a side product. So here higher alkyne can be obtained from lower alkyne. Particular example of this type is here CH triple bond CH is acetylene. This is also example of terminal alkyne. When treated with lithium amide, then NH3 is given out as a side product and ethynyl lithium is a product when treated with CH3 CH2Br, that is bromoethane, then we get HC triple bond C CH2 CH3. It is but 1 YNE and side product is lithium bromide. One more example of this type is here CH3 C triple bond CH is propine. When treated with LiNH2, that is lithium amide, then it gives CH3C triple bond C Li is prop 1 YN1YL lithium. When treated with bromoethane, that is CH3CH2Br, then it gives CH3C triple bond C CH2CH3. It is pent 2 YNE plus lithium bromide. And that is about the preparation methods of alkyne. We had studied under preparation methods of alkynes. One is the industrial source and other is the laboratory methods. In laboratory method, we can prepare alkyne from vicinal dihalide by dehydrohalogenation and from terminal alkynes using lithium amide. So that is about the preparation methods of alkynes. Thank you.